Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI like a pro. First, open the Perplexity app or website and sign into your account. Now, instead of asking very short questions, try being specific with your prompts. The more details you give, the better the answers usually are. You can also ask follow-up questions to keep building on the same topic instead of starting a new search every time. One of the best features is the source links. Always check them if you want to verify information or to deeper research. You can also use Perplexity to summarize articles, create study notes, compare products, brainstorm ideas, or explain complex topic in simpler terms. If you're working on a project, try asking Perplexity to create an outline first. This can save a lot of time and keep your research organized. And if the answer is too complicated, just ask it to simplify or explain it like you're a beginner. So those are some ways to use Perplexity AI like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.